It's the top of Q1 or right before a big EBR, and suddenly everyone is scrambling to throw together account plans. It's usually treated like a compliance exercise, something to get out of the way before you can get back to the real work. But the teams that are absolutely crushing quota, they're creating account plans differently. They're building and updating strategic account plans all year long, constantly, as they're creating their own pipeline, because they know the foundation for real partnership isn't a static document, it's a true battle plan and active strategy. It's how you transform reps from order takers to advisors and leaders who win bigger deals. At Accord, we want to make that a standard, not the exception. And that's exactly what we're going to build today inside of Accord. With Accord, you create custom playbooks that become the step-by-step workspace where account planning happens. Every required action and best practice is laid out in sequence, from initial research to stakeholder mapping to value hypothesis development. The playbook is the workspace where the work gets done. But what about all that manual research, the hours spent digging through financials and news articles? That's where Accord Intelligence comes in. It's AI built directly into your playbook to do the heavy lifting for you. By priming the AI with your company's unique context just once, you create a purpose-built sales assistant that keeps your sellers in their workflow focused on strategy and not busy work. Okay, now our playbook is ready. Let's put it into action and enforce the process. From our playbook, I'll click Create Accord, and we're not just making another document. We're creating the workspace for this account and turning our best practices into an enforceable plan. Now that we're in the Accord for Stripe, you can see all the sections I need to fill out. The account overview, the executive summary. This is the point where the hours of manual research would normally begin. But instead, I'm going to click this button, and just like that, Accord Intelligence is doing the heavy lifting, synthesizing 10Ks, earning calls, and news articles to give us the strategic context that matters for the account. And we're not just getting basic company info, we're instantly seeing their primary revenue model, their C-suite strategic priorities, and the quantifiable challenges that they're facing. This is the foundation for a value-based conversation and selling. This research is great, but a plan is useless if you don't know who to talk to. B2B purchases now involve, on average, 6 to 10 stakeholders, and manually mapping these relationships is time-intensive. Accord enables your team to map out these stakeholders directly within the account plan. You can identify their roles, understand their influence, and track their sentiment. This helps you turn a messy map into a clear line of sight to a decision. Now let's connect the dots. With one more click, you can draft a business case. And what happens here is powerful. Because we prime the AI with our playbook context, it's not just giving us generic text, it's running a sophisticated analysis to build a compelling value proposition. It quantifies the customer's current state of pain, maps our solution directly to their desired outcome, and projects the real business impact. This is how you create a business case in seconds. And to help you get a head start, we've linked a guide below with all the prompts our AI uses so you can tailor them for your own team. And finally, let's talk about execution. Remember how we built our playbooks? Every one of those steps, from initial research to stakeholder mapping, is now an actionable task inside this workspace. And because the work gets done inside of the Accord, you can finally score it. Every action is automatically tracked. Managers get real visibility into process adherence, enabling proactive coaching instead of reactive deal reviews. So in just a few minutes, we've gone from a blank slate to a deep, strategic, and full actionable account plan. We've replaced manual busywork with purpose-built intelligence and turned a static document into a living, breathing workspace. This is how you guarantee process adoption and elevate your entire team to sell like top performers. It's the end of sales homework and the beginning of revenue excellence.